In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase volume in HandBrake quickly and easily so you can make quiet videos louder without needing extra software. This is a simple fix if your audio is too low after recording, downloading, or editing. And the best part is that you can do it right inside HandBrake in just a few steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open HandBrake and load your video into the program. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the window or by clicking to open your source file manually. Once your video is loaded, HandBrake will scan the file and prepare the main settings panel. Now, look for the audio tab and click on it. This is where you'll find all of the audio tracks attached to your video, along with the settings you can use to adjust them. In the audio tab, locate the audio track you want to increase. If your video has more than one track, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't accidentally boost the wrong audio source. Once you've found the track, look for the gain setting. This is usually labeled as gain in decibels, and by default, it will often be set to 0. That means the audio is being left at its original level with no boost applied. To make the volume louder, enter a positive number into the gain field. A good starting point is 5 decibels, and if that's not enough, you can try 10 decibels depending on how quiet the original audio is. Just remember that increasing the gain too much can cause distortion or make the audio sound clipped. So it's always a good idea to use a moderate increase first and test the result if needed. After you've entered your preferred gain value, take a quick look over the rest of your HandBrake settings to make sure everything else looks correct. Then you're ready for the final step. Click Start Encode. HandBrake will process the video with the new audio level applied, and once it finishes, you'll have a louder version of your video ready to use. If the volume still isn't quite where you want it, you can go back and try a slightly higher gain value and encode again until you get the best balance. And that's it. You now know how to increase volume in HandBrake using the gain setting in the audio tab. It's a fast and effective way to fix low volume videos without complicated editing. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical how-to guides just like this one.